Hello children. Children, you know the word mother? Oh, ma, right? Always your mother will be ready to take care of you, right? Whenever you are in trouble, whenever something happens to you, you are very sad, the mother will be always ready to take care of you. Here in this lesson also, as we human beings love our mother, same way birds, animals also do. They do also love their mother so much, and the mothers also love their babies, their children very much. In this particular chapter, we are going to see that how nicely a mother take cares. And one more thing, children. Whenever your parents are going out, always neighbors are good friends of us, right? If good neighbors are there, they will always take care of you children. Your parents will say that we are coming within 5 to 10 minutes. The neighbors, auntie or uncle, please do take care of my child for 5 to 10 minutes, right? And the neighbors will very carefully they take care of yours, so you won't be in any kind of danger or trouble, right? The same way in this particular lesson also, somebody is taking care of small babies, right? So, let us go through this lesson. The name of the lesson is Taking Care. Lean and mean were two baby chicks. Can you see these two baby chicks? They were two small baby chicks. They lived in a small house. This is the house where they lived. Okay? Mother hen took care of them. They played all day. They used to play outside and mother hen used to take care of them as your mother is taking care of them when you are playing, that you don't get hurt, right? Yes. They were very happy. They were very happy. It was Sunday evening, right? Whenever it is a Sunday, you children feel more hungry, right? And you like to eat a special food from your mother's hand. Your mother prepares and you like to eat that food, right? The same thing happened over here, but Sunday by morning you children complete your homework, afternoon you rest, and in evening you play a lot. But after playing, you children also feel hungry, no? Right? The same way what happened, Lean and Mean, now they were tired of playing and they felt very hungry. Lean and Mean were hungry, they wanted to eat something. They wanted food, they wanted some food to eat. Mother hen went to bring food, right? She went to the forest. Mother hen wanted to bring some food. She went to the forest. She told Lean and Mean not to come out from the house. It's outside. Some animals would be there who would be very dangerous for them, right? Billy was a black cat, my God. Sometimes some black cats are very dangerous. I am also scared of black cats. I think so you children also are sometimes scared of black cats, right? Yes, Billy, she was a black cat. He came near the house. Slowly and slowly she came to know that mother hen is not at home and I can eat the chicks very nicely. So slowly and slowly she came near the house. He was bad. He was a very bad cat. He pewed. Pewed means sound made by cat. You know the harsh sound made by the cat by which the children will get scared. The chicks also got scared. Lean and Mean were afraid. They were afraid of him that, oh my God, mother is not there at home. Mother hen is not there at home. Now, if this black cat will eat us, then, oh my God, they were shivering with fear. They went inside the house. They first climbed the house and from here they went inside the house. Just then Bruno came there. You know, always God sends someone, right? Whenever you are in a danger, God sends someone, right? So, a miracle happened. Just then Bruno came there. He was a good dog. Sometimes God's dogs are also a faithful animal, you know? Yes. Bruno saw Billy. Now Bruno saw Billy, that this Billy is carrying that 2 chicks. So what he did, you see. He barked so loudly that the Billy got scared. Bow wow, he said. Billy ran away. Oh my God, Billy got scared of that Bruno dog. And Bruno stood outside the house. Now Bruno took care of that 2 little baby chicks. Taking care, what is the lesson's name? Taking care. Now Bruno took care of that baby chicks. He was moving outside here and there, here and there. You know, sometimes if you, mostly all of them have a pet dog at home. If they see some unknown strangers, they start barking. They will guard your house, right? The same way Bruno also did. Bruno stood outside the house. He took care of Lean and Mean, right? Mother hen came back with food. Now Mother hen, very tired she was, but she wanted to bring food for the chicks. So she brought food for Lean and Mean. She said to Bruno, thank you my dear. If you would be not over here, then that Billy would have eaten my small baby chicks. Lean and Mean were happy and they kissed their mother. Finally, they kissed their mother. They were safe. They thanked Bruno. So my dear children, you know, mother is a very loving fellow. Always love your mother the same way as Lean and Mean loved. So have a nice day.